My name is Donnie Hyma. I'm the owner of Midway Mechanical. We've been in business for 40 years. We've been doing heating and air conditioning for 17 years. The motivation to start this business came from my grandpa, who started this business in the plumbing side 40 years ago. We specialize in heating and air conditioning, high-efficient gas furnaces and air conditioners and heat pumps. We even do geothermal. We service all makes and models, but we specialize in installing Trane high-efficiency heating products. We're best known for our service, comfort, and quality. If you've had a system installed by us, you know what I'm talking about. A consumer should choose our business based on the fact that we've been in the Valley for 40 years again. Customers come back to us again because we take care of them. When a customer calls our business, they can expect Wendy to answer the phone. She'll take care of you from there. We'll get you over to whether it's service or installation, or you need somebody out to visit you to see what you may be looking for in your home. I am proud of the fact that we have guys here. It's a family group. Everybody that's here has been here for quite some time. We take pride in this. We're all friends in here. It's a good working relationship between all of us here at Midway Mechanical. Give us a chance to do business with you. You will be most satisfied.